Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we're going to be trying the Jelly Nail Extension Gel Kit by Makartt. This kit comes with 6 different polygel shades and a bunch of other things, as you can see. First up, we have a top coat, which is always necessary, as well as a base coat. In the kit, you also get a nail surface cleaner, which is super useful for polygel nails. And as you can see, in the back we have a nail file and the signature brush and picker tool by Makartt. And they also included some dual forms, which are curved, but you know, it's okay. Let's just go ahead and look at the colors. First up, we have Lemon Chiffon. I hope I'm pronouncing that well. And it is a gorgeous jelly yellow shade. I really like this one. It's so pretty. Then we have Magenta, which is a beautiful jelly pink shade. I really like this one, and it's kind of like one of my favorite colors as well, so I really like it. Then we have Mauve, which is a jelly like light purple shade. It actually looks a lot lighter when applied, so you will see it in a little bit. Then we have Light Slate, which is a very light like sky blue kind of color. This is really beautiful. And you also have another shade which is kind of similar to this one, Celeste. It's more of a turquoise kind of color. It's a little more green. I think you can see the difference between the two. And lastly, we have Coral, which is kind of like a reddish pink shade, like a coral shade, I guess. So yeah, that's everything that was included in this kit. Let's go ahead and start the Lazy Girl method tutorial. And yeah, I will leave a link for everything in the description as always. So another thing that I'll be using is this glitter set that I got from a local craft store. I just saw it and I thought it would be amazing for nail art. So I went ahead and I picked some colors that are similar to the polygels we'll be using. I already went ahead and I measured my tips. I got these from Shein and they're extra long and I love them. They have so much space to play with. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is applying a layer of foil glue. This is the Makartt foil gel, and I decided to do it this way because I thought that the glitter would stick better to that. And then I went ahead and I added a layer of base coat to my natural nails. So after everything was cured, I went ahead and I picked up the blue glitter. It was kind of difficult to open actually, but I managed. And I also took the brush that came with the set and I started just picking up some glitter and putting it on the nail. At first I was planning on putting glitter on all of the nails, that's why you saw me put the foil glue on all of the nails, but I ended up not using it. I just decided to do like an ombre with the glitters so that it would show through the jelly polygel. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out, but you could just go ahead and apply a layer of base coat instead of the foil glue. It will work just as fine. Also, I wanted to see if just regular craft glitter would work as well as cosmetic grade one. And I just have to say that it worked just as well. It didn't bleed or anything, so I liked that a lot. It was really cheap as well. So after all of the glitter was on, I went ahead and I took the different polygel colors, and you can see right here I spilled my slip solution. So it was just not a good experience. But I just let it dry for a little bit and I came back to it like 10 minutes later and I started pushing all of the polygel into place. You just have to do patting motions to push it into place. I filmed this like a couple months ago and it was actually still cold, so the polygel was a lot firmer than it is now. So keep that in mind when you're working with these kinds of products during the summer months. It's probably going to be a lot easier to play around with. But yeah, as you can see, I just patted all the colors into place. They blended together beautifully. I tried to follow the same theme that I did with the glitter, and then I just went ahead and I applied the nail onto my own natural nail. I cured it in the lamp and I went into the next nail. This is super easy to do. As always, this is a super beginner friendly tutorial. You can definitely do this, and I think that the glitter ombre looks really cool actually. So yeah, let me know if you like it. For the rest of the nails, I just went ahead and I took the same colors that I used. Since I had 3 remaining nails, I decided to do each nail a different color. So first up, I did the blue shade, and you can see just how pretty it looks. It's definitely a jelly sky blue kind of shade. I love it. And I did that one for the pinky. And for the middle finger, I did the purple. And then for my thumb, I did that pretty pink. So here they are so far. They look really cool. And the next thing you want to do is apply a layer of base coat to all of the nails so that everything additional we do adheres properly. And I was trying to decide what kind of gems I wanted to use for today's video, and I remembered the teddy bears that I got from Shein, those jelly teddy bears, and I thought they would be so cute for this look. So I just went ahead and I grabbed some of my Vanillisa nail glue and I added a big amount of it in the middle of my middle finger. Then I went ahead and I added a layer of clear top coat, and without curing that, as always, you have to go ahead and place your gem right in the middle of the gem glue, and this is going to make sure that it's going to adhere as well as possible. I also added a few rhinestones. Also, this kit with the rhinestones I got from Shein, I'm going to link it in the description so you can get it for yourself. And yeah, for the rest of the nails, the glittery ones, I didn't really want to do anything to them because I thought that they looked great by themselves. But for the 2 remaining fingers, I just decided to add some more of those jelly rhinestones and some color beads, and I thought it looked really cute. After I finished with curing all of the rhinestones, I went ahead and I added a layer of top coat to the rest of the nails. And the most important things for me when I do jelly nails or any type of clear polygel is to add a layer of top coat to the underside of the nail as well, and this makes all the difference. Of course, you cannot forget your cuticle oil. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I had so much fun playing with these jelly shades. They're so cute and easy to work with, and you can just see how clear they are. Just look at that. Like, you can see through them, you can see everything clearly. It's so cool. I honestly think that Makartt has some of the best clear polygels out there. It's just so clear. So yeah, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought. Subscribe for more videos every single week. I try to upload as regularly as I can. And I will see you guys in my next video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye!